Welcome to this video tutorial series of my project. My name is Sai and I'm excited to walk you through it. Before we begin, I would like to tell this is a 4-part video series and each part will emphasize on different phases of the project, and I'll walk you through it and through the execution process and the idea and the challenges and learning in each phase of the particular project. So before we begin, I would like to share the complete documentation can be found on my GitHub repository, to which I'll put the link in the description or in the comment section. So here you could find the detailed documentation about the problem statement, features, the tech stack that has been used, step-by-step execution and the configuration that has been used to execute this project, and also the learnings and the potential enhancements which will be performed in the near future. So in this particular part of this video series, I will be walking you through the high-level architecture diagram, and I'm happy to, and I'll be liking to share some of the idea or the working of this architecture. So primarily, I'm using Azure DevOps for this complete CI/CD workflow, where the developer will make changes or commit anything to the main branch of the repository. Once this commit is executed, the first build pipeline will be run, which will build a .NET application, which is run on the Microsoft hosted agent. When it successfully runs, it is going to publish the artifact in the pipeline. Once this pipeline runs successfully, another pipeline will be run, which will run the Terraform scripts, and it will provision infrastructure simultaneously, both on AWS and Azure. And it will be utilizing this remote state file, which will be stored on Azure in the storage account. And thirdly, after this pipeline is run successfully, this self-hosted agent will be running some advanced Ansible dynamic playbook. So this will be basically fetching the remote state file, and Python scripts will be running, which will fetch it, pass the state file, and then get the inventory and make it scalable. So all the instances running on AWS or the virtual machines running on Azure will be reflected in this inventory, and a playbook will be run, which will deploy our .NET application on these remote nodes. So basically, this is the overall flow. We'll be also utilizing Azure Entra ID to set up all the app registration, RBAC policies, etc. So this is a high overview of the project, and I hope it makes sense. In the second part, I will be I'll be showing you the execution steps, and we'll be running the pipelines and everything. So I'll see you in the next part of this video. Thank you.